Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this challenging Math Olympiad problem. How do we conquer this kind of challenging problem when we see one? We have 8 to the power of A equal to 27 to the power of B equal to 64 to the power of C equal to 24. Now, if this is the case, what then will be the value of 2022 ABC all over AB plus BC plus CA? This is a very challenging equation, but at the same time, it takes a simple mathematical trick to be able to tackle this. So what we're going to do is, let me start by first introducing myself. This is an online Math TV Academy. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to appeal to you to give me a like and please comment on my video and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Let's look at the question we have before us. So we have 8 to the power of A equal to 27 to the power of B equal to 64 to the power of C equal to 24. And we have to find the value of 2022 ABC over AB plus BC plus CA. Now what we need to do is to simply take each of the exponents and equate it to the one on the right, extreme right. So what I mean is, first we start with 8 to the power of A equal to 24. Now let's introduce power. So we're going to take, what we're going to do is to say multiply the power on both sides by 1 over A. So we have, since the power on the left is A, so we multiply the power on both sides by 1 over A. So 8 to the power of A multiplied by 1 over A equal to 24 multiplied raised to the power of 1 over A. Okay. And so of course, you know, this becomes, the left side becomes 8 to the power of A over A equal to 24 to the power of 1 over A. So what happens is that the right hand side now becomes a radical, and then this will mean that 8 equals to 24 to the power of 1 over A. Okay, so we can call this equation 1. Now let's take also 27 to the power of B equal to 24. The same way we multiply the powers on both sides by 1 over B. Multiply the powers on both sides by 1 over B equal to 24 to the power of 1 over B. And so the left hand side becomes 27 to the power of B over B, because B times 1 is B, then over B equals to 24 to the power of 1 over B. And then B cancels B, so you have 27 equal to 24 to the power of 1 over B. Let's call this equation 2. Next, we take on the last one, 64 to the power of C equal to 24. And then we have 64 to the power of C all raised to the power of 1 over C equal to 24 raised to the power of 1 over C. Then we have 64 to the power of C over C equal to 24 to the power of 1 over C. So this becomes 1. So you have 64 will be equal to 24 to the power of 1 over c. Let's call this equation 3. Now, what we're going to do now is to multiply the left hand side, okay? Multiply all the left hand side of equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. This is what I mean. The left hand side of equation 1 is 8. The left hand side of equation 2 is 27. While the left hand side of equation 3 is 64. Now we do the same thing to the right hand side. So we have 24 to the power of 1 over a multiplied by 24 to the power of 1 over b multiplied by 24 to the power of 1 over c. Now 8 is 2 to the power of 3 times 27 is 3 to the power of 3 times 64 is 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 3 equal to, so what we are going to do is to say, since we have the same base on the right, so we have 24 raised to the power of 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c. And then of course, now on the left we have same power, different bases. So we can say 2.3.4 all raised to the power of 3. Because in indices, there is a law that says if you have a to the power of n dot b to the power of n dot c to the power of n. Okay, so this will become a dot b dot c all to the power of n. So this law very much applies to our equation. Okay, so 2.3.4, that's 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 24. So the left hand side becomes 24 to the power of 3 equal to 24 to the power of ABC. The LCM is ABC. Then of course you have, this is BC plus AC, okay, plus AB. So from here we have 24 to the power of 3 equals to 24 to the power of AB plus BC plus AC all over ABC. So base and base will cancel. Therefore, we have that 3 will be equal to AB plus BC plus AC all over ABC. Now, if we look at the question that we have, the problem here is 2022. So we have ABC over AB plus BC plus CA. So ABC. So now this becomes 1 over 3 equal to ABC all over AB plus BC plus AC. We can also achieve this by saying cross multiply. Once you cross multiply, then that divide both sides by AB plus BC plus AC. You get the same result. Therefore, we can safely now say that 2022 ABC all over AB plus BC plus CA, it will be equal to 2022 multiplied by ABC over AB plus BC plus CA. And we know that this particular expression is equal to 1/3. So you have 2023 multiplied by 2022 rather, multiplied by 1/3. This is same thing as 2022 divided by 3. And the result is 674. I see you in my next class, guys. Thank you very much for staying by. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, share, and recommend my video so that YouTube can recommend my video to other people. Thank you very much. I see you in the next class.